Alright guys, we have question number 31, and in this question it says, choose the equation that best represents the graph shown. And for this, we have a graph that shows that the graph is going over the y-axis. And we know that cosecant can't do that, so it has to be a secant graph. And so to begin, we see that these graphs, they start at 2 and -2. This means that our amplitude will be 2. And now we have to find out the period. And the way I do this is I like to draw one period of a cosine graph with the secant graph, because with every secant graph there's a cosine graph that pretty much determines where these will be. And so to do that, just lightly sketch a cosine graph. And we see that one period of the cosine graph is from -4 to 4. This means that the period is 8. And with the equation t equals 2 pi over omega, or period equals 2 pi over omega, we have 8 equals 2 pi over omega, and then that means that we have to multiply w by each side, so it would cancel out right here, and then it would be 8w over here, so 8w equals 2 pi, and then omega equals 2 pi over 8. So omega would be pi over 4, and that will be our that'll be our omega. So once we have omega being pi over 4x, we're able to put that into our equation. Y equals 2. That's our amplitude. It always goes in front, like where the secant is, or which trigonomic function it is. 2 secant, parentheses, pi over 4x. And this means that our answer will be P. I mean B, not P.